Hello students, I have explained in my last video preparation of alkyl chloride using phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride and thionyl chloride. On the similar basis, how we can prepare alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. So it is further continuation of preparation of alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide. Now this is what I was explaining last time. I have explained in my video that PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2. This one is thionyl chloride, SOCl2. So based upon this, I am now going to explain ROH. Suppose I can't use here PBr3 or PI3. Remember, PBr3 and PI3, they are unstable, decomposed to give phosphorus and iodine back. So therefore, instead of that, it is generated during the reaction, that is called as in situ. Okay, so here suppose ROH if I take and treat that with the red phosphorus heat, and I use here bromine. Okay, I say what? Heat. So not taking PBr3, but just heated with red phosphorus. This is red phosphorus and this is bromine. Red, okay, remember a red phosphorus. See, I have not wasted time in writing. Just pick up. You can slow down the video and see what I am said. What I have said. Red phosphorus. So this will reheat. You will get what here? RBr plus H3PO3. In this case, you will get what? Phosphorus acid. Now balance the reaction here. How to balance this reaction or equation? Just see how to balance this equation. Here, if I put this bromine 2, let's say, this I put here, say, suppose say 2, because this bromine is 2. If I put this 2, then R become what? 2 here. So I will have to balance this by putting what? RH2. Okay. Oxygen 2. See, when I put this R2, here oxygen become 2, hydrogen become 2. But here what? Hydrogen 3, oxygen 3. So in order to make that even, so that it become easy, what I will do, I will balance directly here and make it what? 6. So 3 to the 6, and oxygen also what? 6. 3 to the 6. And if I make this as 6 here, then see your equation will be directly balanced. 6R. Then here, this will be what then? 6R. Equation is balanced with respect to R, and oxygen it is 6 balanced. Phosphorus has become here what? 2. Therefore this phosphorus here should be 2. So see that you learn the technique of balancing as I am explaining. Here Br becomes 6. So therefore this should be what here? 3. So now see full equation whether it is balanced or not. 3 to the 6, this is 6. R is 6, R is 6. And hydrogen, what? 6, hydrogen 6, 3 to the 6. Phosphorus 2, phosphorus 2. So equation is balanced. Now again I am repeating, say, don't learn these equations by heart. Don't say that 6 times ROH plus 2 times P plus 3 times Br2 like that. If you remember, then even if you just forget little bit, you will forget everything. So without any problem or hesitation, you should be in a position to write the equation. Now let me give an example here. Suppose I have taken alcohol as C2H5OH. Then I take here phosphorus and bromine and heat. Alright. Now what will be the product in this case? You will get here C2H5Br plus H3PO3. This is called phosphorus acid. Again, the same way you try to balance it. Now looking at this R equation, general equation, you can know this reaction very well. So this should be twice, this is 6 times, this should be 6 times, and this is 2, and this is 3. I hope you have followed how the equation is balanced. And I was saying that directly you are not taking PCl3 here, because PCl3 if you take direct PBr3 or PI3, because they are decomposable. So also PCl5 instead of that PI3 or PI5 or BR5, those are unstable compound. So here in the equation, during this heating, this phosphorus and bromine will combine and form phosphorus tribromide. Okay, and therefore you will get the reaction like this. Okay, so generated in Cyto. So same way, if I want to prepare alkyl iodide, already I have written that in general, but I am just writing alkyl iodide. So what is done? ROH plus red phosphorus plus iodine now, and you heat. Okay, heat. Red phosphorus, alcohol, and iodine. Now what will get here? I plus H3PO3. Okay. Now balance the equation same way. So what will be this? This should be, suppose I make it here 2, that will become 6 hydrogen, therefore directly here 6. Phosphorus has become 2, therefore this should be 2. And iodine, R has become what here? See, R has become here 6. So here also 6 you put. Iodine has become 6, therefore this should be 3. So don't learn anything by heart. Okay, so this is how we can prepare alkyl. Suppose I use here any alcohol. Now what we can say, using red phosphorus and iodine, how will you prepare tertiary butyl iodide? Say, if they say, using red phosphorus and iodine, how will you prepare tertiary butyl iodide? So here, in this case, what we can do, you can take tertiary butyl iodide is this. See, then what you do here, tertiary butyl iodide. What will be R group here? R group is CH3, CH3, CH3. This become R group. So here, R you have to change. So if you just write this, what you have to, okay, I'll explain. CH3, CH3, and here OH, tertiary butyl alcohol. I'll give IPH name, and then red phosphorus plus iodine, heat, you'll get this plus H3PO3. Okay. Now remember, tertiary alcohol is faster in reaction. This heating is not much required here. Alright. Now balance it by putting here what then? 3. Okay. This should be 6. Alright. Now, if you use this IPAC name for this compound, then what will be the method to name this IPAC? So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So carbon number 2, there is methyl. Carbon number 2, there is a OH. So I can say here 2-methyl. You can write capital. 2-methyl. Alright. Then propan 2 all. See what I say. 2-methyl. Propan, why? Because I am getting only 3 carbon in the chain. Propane. So therefore propan 2 all. This will be what then? 1, 2, and 3. See, not necessary that you should number like this only. You can number it like this also. Whichever way you number, you will get how many carbon? 3 carbon only. So therefore, now in this case, it will be what here? 2-methyl, 2-iodo, oh sorry, in this case, because iodine is coming first in the alphabetical order, we have to follow that. So remember that this is 2-iodo, 2-methyl propane. Okay, so these are different methods of preparation of alkyl bromide, alkyl iodide. Okay, In my next video, I will explain to you more method of preparation, that is from alkenes. Follow my video step by step, okay, so that you can remember the different methods of preparation of haloalkane.